Welcome to English Blackboard Teacher channel. Welcome to Teacher's English lesson. Today we are going to look into short communicative message writing. Let's discuss the format. It is tested in part 1. In writing paper, it is 20 marks. You need to write in about 80 words and suggested write in one paragraph. The common types of questions that are normally tested are either write an email, a message, or an informal letter, giving some advice, suggestions, and sharing opinions. Let's go into more detail. I would like to share 5 tips to answer this question. Okay, let's look at tip number 1. Start with the phrase, I would like to. Whenever you are writing, just start with the phrase, I would like to either give my suggestions or share my opinions or give some advice to you. For tip 2, write at least 3 points and practice using a lot of linking words in your writing. For example, firstly, next, additionally, and conclusion, many more to arrange your points. For weak students, you can use simple language by building simple sentences and use more of simple present tense. But for advanced or intermediate level students, you can write with a more better language aspect. For tip number 4, always try to end your paragraph with the phrase, I hope you will consider my advice or suggestions or opinions. It is to summarize and give a neat finishing for your writing. This is a sample essay outline, starting with the pink color, followed by the orange color, then bluish green color, and then purple color, and lastly end your essay with the yellow color. Marking is done based on these 4 aspects. Organization, how well have you written your essay? Content, does your 3 points answer the question? Language, vocabulary, grammar, and tenses errors. And communicative achievement is how well you link your points using linking words. The Worksheet Resources is available in the description link below. Don't forget to subscribe to English Blackboard Teacher channel. See you in the next lesson.